What is up, you guys? Today is the 15th of April. I'm gonna try to get this out really quick. We got a request from Thando and he asked, may I please do Holochain hot. And it is really hot right now actually, guys. So it had that bearish trend over here. Right now it's at the bullish trend. It's just at the start. Get in right now, guys, because I have the projections right here for the next 14 days right here. As we can see, it could go up even to 3 cents or at least 2 cents or 2.6 cents. So right now it's really could go to that 3 cent mark where it was before in the next 14 days. That is the best case scenario right here. Once it hits that point, it's probably gonna slowly start shooting past that point as well. So it is a great long-term investment, guys. We see the trading volume great. In the last 24 hours has gone up by 12%. Obviously we had that massive increase over here. It was probably released on some exchange sites. As we speak, it's already gone up to 2 cents already. It is at a really nice bullish trend right now. If we look at today, look at that, boom, a huge spike. So I'm gonna get this video out really fast. The early investors are getting out, taking all their money out. And now we're seeing that end and we're seeing new investors come in again. If we look at the Holo, it is really nice. The goal of Holo is to serve as a bridge between the broader internet and apps built using Holochain. I'm not gonna go too deep into it, but it has a lot of great stuff. It seems to be, building plan is actually for Uber, Airbnb, on the taxi hotel industries. Really nice. So get in early, guys. It's still at the early stage at 1.9 cents at around 2 cent mark right now. So get in while you can. It is on an upwards trend and I'll get this out as soon as possible. See you in the next video.